back to Girl Talk World. I'm Poppy and today I'm so excited because we are here at the Kids BAFTA Awards. How lucky are we? And I'm here on the red carpet. Can't wait to see who's going to be here. We're so excited and thank you so much for having us here today. Let's see who comes. How excited to see you here, Haka. I'm loving the outfit, love the bow tie, you're amazing. You excited?
Yes, I am. I'm very excited. Are you?
Yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait.
Oh, yeah.
Like being surrounded by everybody and like we've worked with throughout this, it kind of feels like because obviously it's near the end of the year as well. It's quite nice. Everybody's worked so hard.
It's the end of term.
It's the end of term, and it's
a big reunion.
It's a big sort of party. Obviously, it's even more amazing if you win, and that's just incredible. But yeah, just being around everyone and everybody in good spirits, hopefully.
The food? No, seeing everyone and saying hi and catching up, I think.
Do you know what? Just seeing all my friends. I haven't seen Dr. Ranch, who's a good mate of mine, in ages, so even just hugging him there on the red carpet, even though he was hogging girl talk and I was livid, it was very nice to see him.
This is an evening where we don't have to work and we just hang out with our friends who we make Operation Ouch with, and a bunch of amazing people from Children's BBC that we also know and love and occasionally film stuff with. So this is an evening where we get to just have a good time, have a nice meal and chat to everyone we love.
Chocolate.
Definitely chocolate, what else? Definitely.
Chinese food. You'd open it and the noodles would come out, and then you get the sauce the next day. And
Can I have cats? Can I have like real cats, kittens?
well, hold on, then you got one cat in the calendar for like a whole month.
No, it does. Oh.
Crisps. Crisps. I live for crisps. I'm not interested in chocolate. This time of year, Easter, when everyone gets really into all the chocolate, I don't care.
It's crisps.
I just love a prawn cocktail, a cheese and onion, a salt and vinegar. I tried a Christmas flavoured crisp today.
Oh, wow.
It was a pig wrapped in a blanket. I mean, it wasn't because it didn't really taste like that. And a Brussels sprout crisp I tried today.
Money would be great, but do you know what? I'm quite good with the old-fashioned chocolate.
Everybody loves chocolate. You can't go wrong with chocolate.
It's the best.
I want to say chocolate, but then that's pretty much what advent calendars are.
Yeah.
That doesn't really change it. To me, advent calendars should only have chocolate in them.
To be with family and friends and have fun.
A couple of BAFTAs would be nice.
Well,
Let's be honest though.
well, Merry Christmas.
I just want a new onesie.
You cannot go wrong with a onesie. Too comfortable.
Like, honestly, if anyone wants to buy me anything at all, just buy me a onesie.
Definitely.
We've just finished a new series, Big Friday Wind Up, which was always, it's like our 8th series that we've done, and finishing that was pretty awesome.
I had a son this year, so that's pretty. It'd be rude of me not to say that, I suppose.
Well, yeah.
Probably being on Strictly.
Yeah,
Honestly, that's
definitely.
probably been my highlight of this year. I mean, it's been lots of great stuff, but that's really been quite special.
Probably when I had finished a really long week filming for the Engineers, and I went home and had just loads of cheese. And I sat in the bed and I ate all the cheese and was really happy, and then had like a bit of a cheese coma. It's the small things in life. It's the small things in life.
That was so much fun. Thank you so much to everyone who let us interview them. We had so much fun. It was so good. I can't wait to see if we can come back and do it again. So thank you so much to the BAFTAs for having us. And yeah, if you like that video, make sure you subscribe to the Girl Talk channel and give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.